So some people are wondering why this particular video got 3.5 million views and the earning is 19 cents, right? So I've been seeing this screenshot going viral and a lot of people are putting it on content monetization, saying that the earning on content monetization is too low, but this is actually a different case, right? So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the possible reasons why your earnings are so low. Which number one is unoriginality of content. If you're among the people that are posting people's video, like mainly like reaction videos, right? Or sometimes like you publish people's video and Facebook did not violate it, right? The original owner might have claimed the ownership of that video. And if the original owner have claimed the ownership of that video, even if it's a reaction video that you did, most cases you might be sharing this earnings with the original owner. Sometimes you might be sharing 50-50, 60-70, or 90-10, depending on how the original owner wants any other person that publishes or her video to earn. And in some cases, you might actually be posting original content and somebody might claim the ownership of your video. But if this kind of things happen, mainly Facebook always send you a notification that so person claim the ownership of your video. And if you are sure that that video is yours, right, what you need to do is to just tell Facebook that this video is mine and give them proof, and they are going to withdraw it back from the person and give you back the ownership of the video. So most cases why your video is earning very low is because maybe you are posting somebody's video and the person has placed a claim on that video and you're sharing the earning with the person, or maybe another person claim the ownership of your video. Another thing that can make your earnings to be very low is when you are using people's music. Let me say, for instance, you are using people's music through Reels. Whenever you use any artist's music, just know that that artist is earning from the music, right? And because that artist is earning from the music, you are not getting your 100%, right? You'll be getting a certain percentage depending on how the artist placed it. Some record label actually do to, because they want content creators to use their sounds, they put it on 30-70. So 70 might go to the content creator, they will earn 30. Some record label might be greedy and they put it 70-30. The content creator will get 30, they will get 70. Some might say, okay, let's share it 50-50, depending on how the distribution company splitted the earnings. So this is also another reason why your earnings might be very low, right? And finally, another thing that can actually be the reason why you might be earning big money and recently you are not earning much money is because content monetization actually changed the game. Mainly people that are earning much money are people that are getting engagement, because earnings is now by engagement, right? If people are liking your video and commenting and sharing your video, mainly you'll be earning the highest money. But you might be getting a big amount of views, but if you are not getting engagement, you'll see that your earnings will drop, right? So that's why it's important for you to be posting more video that people can easily engage on. So for this one that is 3 point something million and the person got 9 cents, no, this thing actually means that this person posted another person's content. There is no way you post original content that you earn this thing. It's not possible. So do not be misled. A lot of people are sharing this screenshot and it's discouraging a lot of people. So that's the reason why I'm making this video, so that you know that this person actually posted another person's video. You cannot post original content and earn this. All right, that's the reason why I always tell you that this content monetization, you need to start posting original content. Even if you are doing reaction video, put value, because if you don't put enough value, most cases your earnings will be going to another person. All right, so and for you to even avoid all these things, see the amount of views somebody got with 19 cents. For you to avoid all these things, you just need to start creating original content. It's not difficult to start creating original content, right? So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you all. I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. And if you are new in this channel, just subscribe, right? So thank you, Mazi, for sharing this video, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? Thank you all.